Collecting data from all your systems and applications can use a lot of time and resources. But what if you could centralize all your data in one data warehouse? Meet Jitsu. Jitsu is an open-source and real-time data collection platform. We're an open-source segment alternative that centralizes all your data in the data warehouse of your choice in real time. Jitsu is available both as an open-source project and as a cloud service. How does it work? Just start by adding a database where all the data will be stored. Jitsu supports ClickHouse, Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, and Postgres. Here, we're going to use ClickHouse as an example. Then add a key. Copy a snippet and put it into the code of any website builder. If you're developing an app, use the Jitsu npm package to start safely sending data. You can also use an HTTP API to send data directly. Need to pull data from external systems? Just add a connector to one of 100+ services, and Jitsu will get all the data from there. What are the benefits of Jitsu in comparison with Segment? Data is sent to the database in real time or in small batches. Jitsu Open Source Edition is free. Jitsu Cloud provides transparent, volume-based pricing. Jitsu will change previous events retrospectively once user identity is known. Events are automatically enriched with location-based information. Deploy Jitsu in 2 minutes with Docker, or register at cloud.jitsu.com to set up a data collection pipeline right now.